What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One Ahead of Smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 11. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to take a screenshot on the iPhone 11. And just before I get started, I would like to show you guys that I got no pictures, anything like that in my gallery. So that's empty. And when we take a screenshot or the screen capture, it will go directly into the gallery, into our photos. So the way to do the screenshot will be using the power button and the volume up button. Press and release them, and just like that, you saw that big bright flash of white light, a little mini shot of what went down over here. And after some time it goes away. If you go into your photos, you are able to then see it in your photos. So that is how to take a screenshot, and I use those if I'm looking at like a recipe, some kind of list that I'm looking for of stuff that I need. Those types of things, I'll just take a quick screenshot instead of copying the link or trying to save or remember how much was there or writing it down or whatever. Just take a quick screenshot, and I find that a whole lot more helpful than actually writing it down and taking time to do that. And it just kind of saves, and you're then able to go back, and you can also share it with somebody. You can go back later and reread it, look it over, whatever it is. So that's how to take a screenshot on the iPhone 11. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody looking for this information, please do share it with them. That's all I got for you guys in this one. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, be sure to drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.